All right, y'all. This is what you want to see, man. These green days, so we can stop buying and start cashing up and chilling. All right, happy Friday to you. Y'all made another week. What we got? The day the night 19th, if I'm not mistaken. We got about two more weeks. All right, y'all better finish up strong. It might be the little Christmas rally here. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Give y'all this list so y'all can go spend y'all money, go finish up y'all shopping, or enjoy your weekend. All right, urgent buys, urgent sales. What we need to go get. Urgent buys, Nike, ticker NKE. End up having bad earnings. Revenue was down a little bit because of tariffs. You know, they got to buy them shoes from overseas, from China, so they got to pay tariffs on them. So, in other words, go and get you some Nike. Nice time to lower your average cost, and if you want to start a long-term position, it's a nice time to do it. So get Nike on your list because we will be visiting them every day. I got 15 shares at 74.81. I want to get my thing at least, if I can get it about $62, that'd be good. Ticker ABR, Arbor Realty Trust. I got 1,031 shares now. I just put another buy limit order in at 806. Just the 52-week low. I was buying 5 shares a day, but the other day I did get my 1,000 shares. I brought 250 at 820. So this here should go back up. Just for you to know, dividend yield 16%, 1.6 billion market cap. P ratios at a 10.5, 52 high, 1433. And say they're reassessing the valuation after an analyst downgrades and weaker quarterly results. I mean, that's with the real estate sector in general. Unless you're somebody like Realty O that done been around a long time, but see what's gonna happen there. We got ticker AMLP, and just from playing below the 7, not 7, but the $47 mark. 8.75% yield. We'll get yourself some of that. SRLN is another one, down to 41.09 a day. Pays a monthly 7.13%. Excuse me. LYB. Lionel Basel got down to 42.50. And went and got $25 worth of that. Another portfolio. NFLX Netflix got down to 93.45 today. I'm gonna go get some of that. COST Costco, while it's cheap, build your position out, got down to 849.32. We'll be going to get some of that also. USOI. Get some of that in this portfolio, 46.83. I need to lower my average cost. I want to get me 100 shares of this, and it's the time to do it. Just paying 62 cents a share out for the month. Got about a 30% dividend yield. VICI. Well, oil goes up. USOY, and USOI will go up. Vici, definitely going to get some of this at these prices. Building my position. It's going to be a nice swing trade. And it can be a dividend play. 6% dividend yield, 6.16, 52-week highs 34.03. Can make you a quick about $6 and some change a share. OXSQ down to 176 again. Gonna go get some of that. 3.5 cents a share a month, 5 shares a day. $1.7676, 5 shares. Extended hours. All right, gonna go with ticker BDN. $2.99. I gotta tell you, lowering my average cost in this one. It's another one I'm gonna swing trade and get rid of. Like 413. Ticker IVR right now is on the tail. It's at 896. Up 19.45% right now. And it has I've been giving y'all this play from $7 all the way to $7.50. I was buying it. Y'all need to start watching these videos. Don't think I'm gonna tell you. Your money, your future. 52-week high 906. So, like I told you, the REIT sector is gonna go up. Some of them off, some of them not. But hey, man, you're the CEO of your portfolio, but follow me to the promised land. USOY when it got some at 641. That's why I set my my buy limit orders. But I haven't really been buying none in this one. But I brought 5 shares a day in my Webull portfolio. PSEC Prospect Capital going at $2.49. Take advantage of this dip. Like I said, I'm buying it in another portfolio. I don't want to be too overweight. I'm good right now in this one, but going $2.49, pay 4.5 cents a share a month. Go get you some DEO. It's below 90 bucks. I'm gonna go get some of that too. Ticker TWO, Two Harbors. Been giving y'all this one at $9.80, buying below $10, preferably $9.80 down to $9.26. This at $11.42. I took profits on scalp traded yesterday at $11.36 or something, but I actually brought those shares, all the shares I brought from $9.26 all the way to $9.80. I said when they get up, I'm gonna sell it. So that's what I did. I sold it at 11 something. Now I got average cost $9.60 for 104 shares. So that's good. This got in ex-dividend date of the 5th of January. So it's probably gonna drop after the ex-dividend date. Might come back down below the 10. I don't know, it's at 11 something, so it might trade above the $10 mark. I only nibble at it at 10 and under. IWMY ops on the Russell 2000. $20.15. I say you can't beat these prices right now, so I'm doubling up. And this pays every week. So I'm buying, lowering my average cost, building my position, using margin. Because when this go up, I'm not going to buy nothing. Just going to sit back and collect the dividends every week. Took a HPP, getting his butt whipped, but it's all good. Just going to dollar cost average on in. Got them yield max dividends coming in every week. So this is why I'm reinvesting in that, and monthly and quarterly payers. Some weekly payers also. LFT. It's going to be another swing trade. 147. 5 shares here. This pay out quarterly. A high dividend yielder. One day, just waiting on this to squeeze, go back past the $2 mark. Got GOOD, Glad, pays out every month. It's another one I'm probably going to cut off. Dividend yield, 10.88%. I think it pays like 10 cents a share a month, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, 10 cents a share a month. It's a commercial REIT. They are doing bad right about now. Because of the rent, the overhead is too high. A lot of people trying to get rid of that. DEA 2170. Add some more of that. Got TCPC down for the day. Need to price that out every week too, along with Horizon. And we did ABR. Just want to look at ChargePoint real quick. I got a sell limit order at $11 for the next squeeze. Start to buy and sell like everybody else, but like I say, ChargePoint, you're not gonna see no benefits in 2027. All right, that's everything on my list. Make sure I ain't miss anything. Y'all just checking out traps. Got TCPC. Comcast, you need to stay up. You've been doing good, cause I'm gonna get up out of you too. It's another one I'm gonna cut. I think they just about to stick to the cell phone and the internet services. They about to cut all the digital cable boxes, the actual boxes you go buy. They about to cut all that because everything doing streaming anyway. A couple of days ago, I had to renew my little contracts with them for my internet or whatever you want to call it. MFIC down 1.37%. I take that little discount. You don't have to buy this one. I'm already in it, but it is a nice cash flow play. Recent BDC is going to benefit from interest rate cuts. See PFLT 908. No low enough. I like it 9 and under, but it's low enough for me to nibble at. Got buy limit orders at 892. Community healthcare REIT. See how I'm looking now. I should be looking kind of good. Okay, close enough. I'm in dollar cost averaging down in this one. This play I'm about to get out of. Hope my sell limit order still there at 648 for 120 shares. Why am I selling it? It is a Canadian company. And you got to pay ADR fees on the dividend. Dividend yield not but 4.3%. My margin 4.95 to 5.05. So when I brought this, it was higher as far as the dividend yield. Can this go up? Yes, it's a utility stock. Like I said, you got to pay the ADR fees for the dividends. That's what I don't like. What are ADR fees? See, I got 120 shares, paid 5.5 cents a share. Total amount withheld was $1.17. I only got $6.65. Now you are able to write off the withheld amount on your taxes at the end of the year. You can write them off, you know, that'll offset things, but I don't want to deal with it. There's too many other utility companies in the United States that I can get and that got it better than the 4.93. I mean, this dividend yield is high. I mean, the 4.3 is good for energy stock. But, you know, there's other ways to go. RPT, holding on to this one. I'm up 11%. Why am I holding it? Dividend yield is 8.05% now that it's up. It was 9 when it was down. $3 for the wait for this to get past the $3 mark before I sell it or scalp profits. Might keep it for the long run. BGS Foods 461. Waiting on this one to fly higher. $8.06. 52-week high. Waiting on that to do a little something. Need to come down to Redwood Trust. RVSB I'm getting rid of. Westlake Chemicals gonna be another one I'm gonna dump. They got 9.82% yield. That's not bad. I can hold on to that one. MFA Financials, another nice quarterly REIT, 978. I'm at 1078. Waiting on this one to fly high so I can get rid of this one. I'm not going to re-enter it back into it. See, Healthcare REIT, 1706. Finally got up in this one. Definitely going to be buying this USOI. Right now, like you got the Bitcoin winner. This the oil winner. While it's cheap, you need to be buying it. It's going to go up. Especially let's go back 52 high, 68.01. If it go back to that $70 something range, it's going to be good. That's only if oil goes up. GSBD, especially buying this at these prices. Nice quarterly REIT. Put this back on my list. GSBD. GSBD. Goldman Sachs BDC. Adam, this is a dividend play. It's that bank style, well, 11.13% yield. I can keep that just for the dividend. Not going to average down in it. MITT, it did go up the other day. It's funny because it got a 52-week high of 891 with a low of 562. I got an average yield from spin-off at 1161. That's why I just keep it for the dividend. I don't even buy any. Got Glad. Just got Pro with a 9.39% yield, pay out every month. 52 high, 3043, getting his butt whooped. But this rarely comes down, so I average on down in it. 9.39% yield monthly, can't beat that. See how we looking on Suns. Almost out of here on Suns. Another REIT, 12.82%. 52 high, 1487. Little dividend play there. Wendy's, not worrying about. Waste Management. Everything else is green. I got Yield Max on the dollar-day recurrence, so that's taking it out anyway. Like I said, on green days, we're not doing nothing. Hood back up past the 120 mark. Just great. That's why when it's cheap, you better buy it. BTCC, Bitcoin back on the rise. Look like, it's back and forth. YBIT up 4.3%. That's why I said when Bitcoin. YBIT and BTCC I got. When it's down, I buy it. When it's up, I don't. Fiat down another 1.21%. Got this on the dollar-day recurring. Days like this, I just add a little $2 with it. Help lower the average cost, man. Just want to stay around the market price. You're going to kick dividends out every week anyway. And that's everything, man. Y'all enjoy y'all weekend. And we're going to get this money. Signing off. Go get your money.